Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. What are you doing today? I am going to the grocery store. Oh, what do you need to buy? I need to buy some fruits. What fruits do you want? I want apples and bananas. That sounds good. Do you want to come with me? Yes, I would like to. Let's go. Where are the fruits? They are in the next aisle. Here are the apples. How many apples do you need? I need 6 apples. Here are 6 apples. Thanks. Now, I need bananas. The bananas are over there. I will take 4 bananas. Do you need anything else? Yes, I need some milk. The milk is in the back. Let's go get it. Here is the milk. How much milk do you need? I need 1 carton of milk. Anything else? No, that's all. Let's go to the cashier. Yes, I'm ready.
Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
That will be $10, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's go home now. Yes, I'm hungry. Me too. Let's make some food. What should we make? Let's make a fruit salad. That's a great idea. It will be delicious. Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.